Good morning, my dear students. Om Shanti all. I welcome you all to your maths class today. So far in mathematics, we have started the new chapter, that is subtraction. In that chapter, we have completed two topics. Today, we are going to start a new subtopic, that is subtraction with borrowing two digit and one digit. Basically, in this chapter, we are going to subtract the numbers of two digit and one digit. It means you have to subtract a one digit number from a two digit number by borrowing. So what is borrowing and how we will solve this sum, we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, before starting this topic, before solving the sums, before understanding the sums, I just want to tell you one thing. You have to understand this. Whenever you are doing some sums in mathematics, you have to use those boxes of your maths notebook very properly, very appropriately. I have seen some students are doing in a very untidy way, in a very inappropriate way. Like they used to put two numbers in the same box, or they don't leave proper gaps. It creates a lot of confusion, to not only to you but also to the teachers. So I'm telling you, you have to leave proper gaps. See how cleanly, how tidily I have done this work. So let's see, on the very first box, when you are doing subtraction or addition sum, you have to write ones, O for the ones, T for the tens, like in different boxes. Okay, and now then for the borrowing sums, you have to leave two boxes for two digit number and three boxes for the three. You have to leave one line of box. Understood? And on the third line of boxes, you have to write the number, and on the fourth line you have to write the number which we have to subtract, and on the fifth line we have to write that number which will be as our difference, which will come as the difference of the this sum. So let's just begin. Okay, I hope you have understood, and I do not want any of you to repeat the same untidy work again. Okay, so I will not check that work. I'm telling you priorly, I will not check that work, and you have to do that work again. So, and also there are some students also who who do their work very tidily, very neatly, whether they are boys or girls. So I'm so happy with them. Okay, so let's just begin. So if you could see this number, first number, if you could see 2 3, what is this number? This is 23. This is 23. And here what is the number? A number 6. So this is a two digit number. As you can see, this is a two digit number, and this is a one digit number. Understood? Because it has two digits, ones and tens, and it has only one digit, that is 6. So now we have to subtract 6 from 23. How will we subtract? See, we have to write 3. Can you subtract 3? Can you subtract 6 from these three number? No, you cannot. So what will you do? You have to borrow means, बेटा बोरो मीन्स होता है किसी से चीज़ें बोरो कर लेना, किसी से चीज़ें ले लेना. सो दिस 3 विल बोरो one number from its partner. This is the partner of 3. So 3 will take one number from 2. So it will become, so we will write 1 before 3, it will become 13. And if this 2 has given one number to it, so it will become one number less, means it will become, it is 2, it will become 1, it will become 1, and this will become 13. Now you have to subtract 6 from 13. So you have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Subtract 6 from that. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many numbers are left now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7. And now here you cannot see any number. Can you see any number? No, there is nothing. So you have to write this number here only with what is left here. So you have to write 1 7 17. This 17 is your answer. Understood? So let's just begin with the another example. Let's just take another example. So here the number is 45 and the other number is 8. You have to subtract 8 from the 45. Can you subtract 8 from 5? Can you subtract 8 from 5? Can you subtract 8? No, you cannot. So what will you do? You will take one number from its partner. Who's its partner? Its partner is 4. So you will take one number from 4. It will become 15. What will it become? it will become 15. 1 5 15. And what it will become, one number less than 4, it will become 3. 3. So 15. Now 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Subtract 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is left. No number is here, so you have to write down this number only here, 37. The answer is 37. Understood? So now there is one more example. So we cannot subtract 5 from 4 because 4 is less than 5. We cannot subtract any number which is less than it. So what will we do? Now we will take one number from it. It will become 1 4 14. It will become 1 4 14. And what will it become? One number less than 9. It will become 8. Now you have to subtract 5 from 14. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Subtract 5 from it. 1 2 3 4 5. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the answer is 9, and here you have to write only 8. So this is the method. I hope you understood this topic, and in case of any queries or any confusion, you just feel free to ask me anytime. Okay, so God bless you all. Have a nice day, and thank you so much.